Hello everyone. So on this video I'm gonna show how we can add the Util library into our project. So the first thing you're gonna do is going into our project tree and selecting our library manager. And here we can click on the add library button. So you can type for the name of the library you want to add into our project, or you can navigate into the library components. Let's type Util here. Okay, so here you can select the Util library and click OK. Okay, the Util library was already in my project, so I don't have to add it again. But if it's your first time adding this library, you can just click on OK and it will appear here on your library manager.